Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You've enabled your hotspot. Now make it invisible. First, open Settings and go straight to Hotspot or Tethering. Once there, confirm the SSID and password so you can restore or share them later. Next, tap Advanced or AP Settings to reveal the visibility control. You're doing this to stop casual scanning devices from listing your network, not to secure it fully. Make the change now so devices won't automatically see the name, and keep the password handy for manual connections. Once in AP settings, locate Broadcast SSID or Visible to Others and toggle it off. That hides the hotspot from scans. While doing this, make sure security remains WPA2 or WPA3. Do not switch to an open network because hidden SSID is not encryption. If your phone uses vendor labels like Samsung or Pixel, follow the equivalent option name. On some platforms, it sits under Advanced. After disabling broadcast, test by scanning from another device to confirm the hotspot. To finish, connect clients manually. Enter the SSID and password on the other device since hidden networks don't show in scans. Once configured, save the network and connect. You'll see it listed as a known network. If it won't connect, re-enable SSID broadcast briefly to verify the exact name and password, then hide again. If problems persist, restart the hotspot device or toggle mobile data. That clears temporary radio issues and usually resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.